Hey guys, we're back at Beneva Pines. Just want to give you guys an update of what we're doing. Got a demo done. We're about ready for drywall, passing our inspections. Come take a look. We are currently in what is going to be the new kitchen. We had walls that were behind me and behind the camera. The sink is basically staying in the same location by the window, which is great because you have a great view to the pool. Pass through your Mai Tais out the window when you're having a great time outside in the Florida sun. Can't wait to get our Cabico cabinets in here and just really see the final finished product. All right, so I know we had you guys vote on the fireplace. We unfortunately had to take it out so that we could have our own second master on this end of the house, which is gonna be really great for guests and for whoever's staying on this end of the home. You know, they've got their own bathroom that they're gonna be able to go in and a great huge walk-in closet over here to the side. So we're in the master now. We've got this great new space we've created for the client. We got this great kind of almost formal entry to the master space to give it, importance and make it feel like its own sanctuary. You've got the master, you want that to be your sanctuary. So we're gonna have this kind of entryway space, which leads into just walking right into the bathroom. Nice new shower. It's gonna be about double the size of it was before. We've got glass panels kind of going here and in the end there to keep that natural light coming through the space. And what we've been able to do here is create this really huge master closet out of an office that wasn't being used. All right, so our next step really is kind of to get our origin windows in. We're super excited to have the opportunity to install those great bifold doors. I'm sure you noticed the plywood behind me over here. We've taken out the old sliders in preparation for our new windows and doors. We're super excited to get those in. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned to see the finished product. Thanks for watching.